Now we are going to say letters and sounds. Letter C sound k, k, k. C is for coffee. C is for clock. Coffee, coffee. 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 Clock, clock. 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 Letter D sound d, d, d. D is for donkey. D is for dinosaur. Donkey, donkey. 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 Dinosaur, dinosaur. 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 C is for coffee. C is for clock. D is for donkey. D is for dinosaur. Goodbye.